Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is just like a personal vlog of me. As you can see, my hair is so dry, like so dry. I did packing gel for my sign out. I'm going to display the picture, and oh my god, can you see the way I'm reacting? Like my hair is so dry, like so dry. And I That was on Saturday, and today is Wednesday, so I'm just moisturizing my hair since that Saturday. And seriously, my hair is so dry. The the gel added dryness to my hair, and of course I've not moisturized my hair maybe for the past 5 days. So the next thing I used was my, what's it called, air conditioner. You can't go wrong with Mega Growth air conditioner. Mega Growth air conditioner is, let me say, it's my top. So it actually works for me, and I love the texture. I love it. It's moisturized my hair. So I actually took my time. Of course, I don't have sectioning clips, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't moisturize my hair properly. As you can see, I was using my hand to detangle because the gel has melted my hair altogether. So I needed to do some detangling with my hands. And guys, I was able to achieve that. So I took one part and added air conditioner to it. For better results, if you're trying to moisturize your hair, please section your hair. My hair is not really long, so I can really like work my way through everything work my way through everything. So please note that I didn't go in with my comb. I didn't go with anything. The first thing I did was, after the gel and everything, I moisturized my hair. Some people will finish losing their hair, or make finish using their hair, and the next thing they go in is detangling their hair with a comb. No, moisturize your hair and do hand detangling. That one will be better. So I did At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the next step I took after this actually. So the next thing is not combing my hair. My hair will break. Like, I will see my hair ripping out so seriously if I went ahead with comb without detangling, without moisturizing my hair properly, without moisturizing my hair. So please and please avoid comb. Use less comb so that your hair won't be breaking. So please pause. Are you tired of running around the circle in business? Are you tired of low sales, or even you are getting sales but no profits to show for it? Breathe. Take a moment. Hi, my name is Meritina, and this is me inviting you to my masterclass on trade, sales, and business growth. Whether you're a beginner or you've already started your business, this masterclass is actually for you. So what are the things you are going to learn? You are going to learn sustainable sales structures. You are going to learn different sales strategies. You are going to learn how to leverage on sales, and also to get your profits, whatever amount of money you invest in your business. And also you're going to learn imports and exportation sales strategy. And also this master class is going to take place on the 26th to 30th of August 2025, and this master class is only going for a sum of 50,000 naira. So for the early base of just 5 people, will be going for 40,000 naira. Do you want to be among those early birds? Please register as soon as possible. I want to see every one of you in class. So you can also reach out to me on marymick204@gmail.com. Thank you so much. See you all in class. Bye for now. Continue our business, Jerry. Sorry for the break. If you are interested, please reach out to my Gmail at marymick204@gmail.com in small letters. So thank you. So please and please, like I said earlier, please don't be deceived by your hair. Make sure you detangle and moisturize every part of your hair. Like, sometimes when I'm combing my hair, I'm detangling my hair with a comb, I'll be feeling some part of my hair that Like this place, this part of my hair is not moisturized at all, at all, at all, at all. Please and please, if you can even get someone for you to help you like moisturize your hair, it's actually good. You know that um you can't see behind your head, you can't see your head, so you might just mistakenly miss some part of your hair. Can you see? Oh my god, my hair is so dry, like so dry. And guess what, if you've been following my videos all along, I bought air conditioner mega growth for 2 weeks. I think I used it like 3 times, and guys, the little I have left, it after this video, it cannot be enough for me to moisturize my hair. I have to buy another one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Taking care of your hair is actually it's actually expensive. Like I need to get another one. The little I have, it can't be enough for me. I just have to like get another one before my hair gets dry again. Seriously, it's not easy to be a fine girl. It is economy, but God will actually see us through. Oh my god, see this fine girl now. See the hair. I really don't know what hairstyle to make. Oh, seriously, I really don't know what hairstyle to make. I feel my hair is overdue already. If you think so, I'm not sure actually. If you think my hair is overdue, just let me know in the comment section. I really want to know if I should relax my hair now or just go and make my hair. I really don't know. I feel my hair is really overdue, and some of my hair is at the root of my hair is actually very dry, and I feel like the texture at the root of my hair is very like obvious and different from the tip of my hair. Hmm. Guys, guess what? Like someone actually told that my hair is actually so brown. Like I know that I have a brown hair, but me using and what's it called, me using relaxer, it makes it so obvious, and my hair is really brown. I don't know if anybody has any alternative stuff that I can use that will not break my hair. I know that all this hair dye actually breaks hair, and girl, can you see my hair? I don't want my hair to break more. Seriously, I want something. If you have anything that I can use that will not break hair. I know that purple leaf actually helps to darken. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Darkens the hair, but it actually works. I don't have purple leaves here until I go home, and seriously, I really don't know when. But if you have something that I can buy, like if I can buy at the market or buy at the store, please let me know in the comment section. Yes, so I'm done moisturizing my hair, but I'm so sure that there's still some parts in my hair that were not fully moisturized. But girl, I'm going to leave it like that though. I'm almost done with the moisturizer. Sorry, with the Mega Growth air conditioner. So at this point, I've tried my best. Can you see what's left? Like, can you see what's left? Oh my god. Hmm. It is well. Oh, it is well, it is well, it is well. So thank you so much for watching. So after this, I actually went out, so I just packed my hair like that, and I used a scarf to cover my hair, and that was all. And I went out. Yep. So thank you so much for watching. If you don't know me, my name is Mary, and all what I do on this channel is talk about skin and hair care.